Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to listen to an Audible audiobook on your mobile device. And in this video I'm going to be using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android using the Audible app. If this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I've downloaded the Audible app on the App Store for my iPhone and I've logged into my account. And basically what you need to do is actually purchase an audiobook on the platform. If you're part of the Premium Plus membership, you'll pay, in the UK anyway, you pay £7.99 per month. And each month a credit gets added into your account's balance, and you can use one credit to buy one audiobook. So let's just say we're going to download this one that's recommended right at the top of the homepage. Click in there. And then what you need to do is scroll down, make sure that this is the actual book that you want to download, and you can see credits available here. You can press the orange button, buy with one credit, then confirm, or you can just press buy for $7.99 and use a debit or credit card to make your purchase. And then once you follow through with those steps, you need to go down to the bottom row and there's a button that says library. Press that. And that's going to open your library and show you all of the audiobooks or podcasts, meditation programs, Audible originals, whatever you have downloaded will appear in your library. And you can go to the all section and actually see absolutely everything. For me, I have 75 titles linked to my account, and you can scroll down and refresh the page and your new purchase should appear in the library section. From there, I'm just going to make sure that my volume is turned down, but what you can do is basically press the play button on the right-hand side of the audiobook that you want to listen to. So what you need to do is click into your audiobook, and I'm going to select The Inner Game of Tennis. And then from there, it starts playing, but we can't hear it because I have the volume turned down on my iPhone. And then on the bottom section, we can see, basically it says The Inner Game of Tennis, and then chapter, it's got a backwards 30 seconds button and then a pause button as well. You want to click on the text that says The Inner Game of Tennis. And then that's going to launch this sort of Spotify style listening page. And you can see the audiobook artwork, you can see the chapters, there's a button for chapters right there, you can select which chapters you want to go to. You've got a backwards button, 30 seconds backwards, pause, 30 seconds forwards, skip chapter button. And from there you can press the pause button to actually stop the audiobook from playing. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.